In this video you will learn how to post YouTube video in Pinterest to get more views. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch the video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first step, you have to open your YouTube app. Now you have to open your channel and select a video which you want to post in Pinterest. So let's say I want to post this video. So for that you have to simply click on these three dots. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you will have an option called share video. So now you have to click on share video. After that you will have an option called copy link. So now you have to click on copy link, or you can click on Pinterest app directly. So in this case I am directly clicking on Pinterest app. After that, as you can see, our Pinterest app is open. So now you have to click on create board, and let's say my board title is. After that you have to click on create in a top right corner. So as you can see, my YouTube video is saved in my new board, and that's how you can share your YouTube video in your Pinterest. So if you click on this video, and this video will automatically redirect you into YouTube, and that's how you can share YouTube video on Pinterest to get more views. So this video is helpful to you, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel.